How to change lock screen clock format from Settings app. To change the lock screen clock format using the Settings app, do the following steps. Open the Settings app, keyboard shortcut Windows+I. Next, when the Settings window appears on your computer, select the time and language category on the left side. Then, click on Language and Region to access settings related to time formats. Now, click the Regional Format option under the Region section to expand it. After that, click on the Change Formats button to change the time format. Then, click on the drop-down list Long Time and pick the option with AM to use the 12-hour format or choose one without AM to go with the 24-hour lock screen format. At last, restart your PC. The clock will appear on the lock screen depending on your chosen clock format, 24-hour or 12-hour clock format. That's it for this video. If you are new to this channel, like, share, and subscribe. Press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Comment below if you want to add some more value to this video. Keep watching, learning, and growing. See you in the next video.